Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin with working HTML and a linked JavaScript file. Open your editor and create index. HTML plus app, JS. Once done, insert a script src equals app. JS/script just before /body so scripts run after DOM loads. Make a test. Create a button in HTML and add console. Log loaded in app. JS. This confirms the connection. If you prefer inline, use script but external files are better for reuse and caching, so start external now. Now you hook behavior to the page. Select elements with document. Query selector or get element by ID, keep selectors specific. Next, attach add event listener with named functions so you can remove or test handlers later. Once an event fires, update the DOM using text content, class list. Toggle, set attribute, or inner HTML when necessary. Prefer text content for plain text to avoid injection issues. Make sure to debounce high-frequency handlers like input or scroll. This improves. To finish, modularize code. Use type equals module in script tags or bundle with tools if you need older browser support. Once modules are set, run tests in at least 2 browsers, inspect the console for errors, and verify network requests succeed. Then deploy static files to a host or CDN and ensure proper MIME types and caching headers. If something breaks, check the console first. Missing file paths, cores, and syntax errors are the most common issues and usually quick to fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.